Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making coriander lemon rice paste. So washed coriander taken and green chilies, and I have a lemon, half lemon I am squeezing in this. So coriander lemon rice now, that's why lemon we need half slice. Now adding in this turmeric powder. So the paste is ready. Now I have this tray. In this tray I'll transfer. If you have ice cube tray, you can use it. This is my small idli tray. So some grinded milk, that's why. So I'm transferring in this. Idli shape will come. So now it's ready. Let's keep in refrigerator. When you are cooking, take some oil and add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and add it this 2 ice cubes and fry 5 minutes, and your coriander lemon rice is ready. When I was make, I'll definitely share with you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.